Imagine preventing HIV with just 2 injections per year. No daily pills, no constant reminders, no missed doses. That is exactly what Nigeria is beginning to roll out, a new HIV prevention injection called Lenacapavir. But how does it work? Is it safe? And most importantly, does this change the future of HIV prevention? Imagine protecting yourself from HIV not with daily pills, not with constant reminders, but with just 2 injections a year, no stress, no missed doses, no daily routine. Just 1 shot every 6 months. Now pause for a second and really think about that. Because for decades, HIV prevention has always depended on one fragile thing: consistency. And consistency is where most people struggle. But now, Nigeria is beginning something that could change everything. A new HIV prevention injection called Lenacapavir, and this is not just another medical update. This is a shift in how we think about prevention, compliance, and the future of public health. But here's the real question. Is this actually a breakthrough or just hype? Let's break it down slowly so you truly understand what this means. Section 1. The real problem, Vithag. Before we talk about Lenacapavir, we need to understand the real problem it's trying to solve. Because HIV prevention has never been the issue. The tools already exist. We already have medications that can reduce HIV risk by over 90%. So why are new infections still happening? Because prevention is not just about medicine. It's about behavior. It's about routine. It's about real life. Imagine this scenario. Someone is given daily HIV prevention pills. At first, they take it consistently. But over time, they forget. They get busy. They travel. They feel fine and stop. And slowly, protection drops. That's the reality. This is what doctors call adherence problem, and in HIV prevention, adherence is everything. Because missing doses doesn't just reduce effectiveness, it can completely remove protection. That's the gap Lenacapavir is trying to fill. Section 2, WATI is Lenacapavir? Let's simplify it. Lenacapavir is a long-acting HIV prevention drug. It belongs to a new class of medications designed to stay in your body for a very long time. Instead of taking a pill every day, you get an injection that slowly releases the drug into your bloodstream. And the key difference? It lasts 6 months. That means only 2 doses per year, no daily routine, no forgetting. This is what makes it powerful. Section 3. How WIT works, but. Let's break it down in a way anyone can understand. When HIV enters the body, it needs to do one thing: multiply. It hijacks your cells and starts making copies of itself. Lenacapavir blocks a critical step in that process.
So even if the virus enters your body, it cannot successfully replicate, which means infection is stopped before it starts.
Think of it like this. HIV is trying to build an army. Lenacapavir removes its ability to produce soldiers, so the invasion fails. Section 4. HY Nigeria. This is very important. Nigeria was not chosen randomly. It was selected because large population, high HIV burden, need for scalable prevention. Global organizations like WHO, Global Fund, are supporting this rollout. Because if it works in Nigeria, it can work anywhere. Section 5. Well, here it's starting. The rollout is being done carefully. It is starting in selected states: Anambra, Ebonyi, Gombe, Kwara, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, Benue, and FCT. This is called a phased rollout. Why? Because science is not rushed. They need to monitor safety, effectiveness, acceptance before expanding nationwide. Section 6. WHO needs Thismos. This injection is targeted at people with higher risk, people with HIV-positive partners, individuals with multiple partners, sex workers, MSM, people who inject drugs, because prevention has the biggest impact here. Section 7. Important clarification. Let's be very clear. This is not a cure, a treatment for HIV or protection against other STIs. It is strictly prevention. And it works best when combined with safe practices. Testing and awareness. Section 8, WHI-THIS is a game changer. This is where things get interesting. Because this is not just about medicine, it's about human behavior. Daily pills require discipline, but injections remove that burden. This could reduce stigma, improve adherence, increase protection, and over time, reduce new infections significantly. Section 9. Challenges very important.
Important.
Every breakthrough has challenges. Awareness is still low, access may be limited, healthcare infrastructure varies. And there's also trust. People need to understand and believe in it. Section 10. The future of HIV prevention. This is bigger than Nigeria. This is about where medicine is going, from daily pills to long-acting solutions. And eventually, possibly vaccines or cures. Lenacapavir is a step in that direction. We are entering a new era. An era where prevention is no longer complicated, no longer daily, no longer easy to forget, but simple, long-lasting, and accessible. Lenacapavir is not the final answer, but it may be one of the most important steps forward. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more real, clearer, and powerful health updates. And tell me, would you choose a 6-month injection over daily pills? Let's talk in the comments.